Welcome to AI Chronicles, the go-to channel for the latest and greatest in artificial intelligence innovations. Today, we're on the brink of yet another technological revolution, and we can't wait to dive deep into the extraordinary advancements shaping our digital lives. Hold onto your hats, because we're about to embark on a journey through the cutting-edge world of AI, where the impossible becomes possible before your very eyes. Imagine a future where your digital assistant doesn't just understand your requests, but anticipates your needs with uncanny precision. That future is almost here, and it's being led by giants like Meta with their groundbreaking AI model, Llama 3. This isn't just another update, it's a quantum leap towards creating the most intelligent AI assistant the world has ever seen. And guess what? It's being integrated right into the social media platforms you use every day like Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. But that's not all. In this episode, we're not just talking about Meta's advancements. We're also exploring how everyday gadgets are getting smarter. Imagine controlling your AI directly from your earbuds. Yes, earbuds. The company Nothing is making waves by integrating AI technology into their latest ear products, making it possible to interact with your smart assistant in ways you never thought possible. And just when you thought it couldn't get any more futuristic, we introduce you to Pio's new feature, Multi-Bot Chat. Why settle for one AI when you can interact with multiple, each specialized in different areas, all at the same time? It's like having a team of experts in your pocket, ready to offer insights on everything from quantum physics to Renaissance art at the tap of a button. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast eager to see where these innovations could take us next, or a casual observer curious about how AI might change the way you send messages or listen to music, you're in the right place. Buckle up as we unveil the marvels of AI integration in everyday life and predict where this all might be heading. Get ready for a mind-bending episode of AI Chronicles, where technology meets creativity, sprinkled with a dash of futuristic fun. Meta's recent rollout of the AI assistant across its platforms marks a significant step forward in making sophisticated AI tools accessible to a global audience. By embedding the AI assistant into the search boxes of Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Messenger, Meta is simplifying user interaction with AI, making it as easy as typing a question into the platforms they use daily. This integration not only enhances user experience by providing instant answers and information, but also personalizes user interactions without leaving their favorite apps. The assistant is powered by Meta's advanced AI model, Llama 3, which boasts superior performance on numerous AI benchmarks, particularly in complex tasks like coding and language comprehension. This model underpins the assistant's ability to understand and respond to queries with a level of sophistication previously unseen in Meta's offerings. By integrating real-time search results from both Google and Bing, the AI assistant can pull the most relevant information, deciding in real time the best source based on the query specifics, thus offering users a seamless and efficient online search experience. Moreover, the assistant's new image generation features represent a leap in digital interaction. These features allow users to see animations and high-resolution images materialize as they type, enhancing creative tasks and visual content generation directly within the chat interface. This capability is particularly groundbreaking as it demonstrates the assistant's ability to handle and integrate multimedia content creation in real time, pushing the boundaries of traditional text-based AI interactions. Meta's strategic decision to make this technology accessible in regions beyond the United States, including Australia, Canada, and parts of Africa and Asia, aligns with their goal to democratize AI technology on a global scale. This expansion is not just about wider accessibility, it's about refining the AI with diverse linguistic and cultural inputs, which can enhance the model's effectiveness and inclusivity. The introduction of two new Llama 3 models with varying computational parameters ensures that developers around the world can also engage with this technology, tailoring it to different applications and integrating it into local solutions. This move could stimulate innovation in AI applications, driving forward local tech ecosystems and encouraging a broader range of AI-driven solutions tailored to specific regional needs. Meta's approach reflects a broader industry trend towards open, scalable, and versatile AI systems that can be customized for a plethora of uses, from simple day-to-day tasks to complex, professional-grade applications. This trend is not only reshaping how businesses operate, but also how they interact with consumers, offering more personalized and responsive experiences that can adapt to individual preferences and behaviors in real time. As the technology evolves, so does the potential for new applications. With plans for future models like Llama 4 and 5, Meta continues to invest in AI as a core component of its long-term strategy, aiming not only to enhance current technologies, but also to define the future of digital interaction. This forward-thinking approach ensures that the AI assistant will continue to evolve, potentially setting new standards for what AI can achieve in consumer and business environments. In essence, Meta's AI advancements are more than just technical upgrades. They are redefining the possibilities of human-machine interaction, making powerful AI tools more accessible, and driving significant changes in the digital landscape that will resonate well into the future. As we've explored the impressive strides Meta is making with its AI assistant and the Llama 3 model, it's clear that the landscape of digital communication and interaction is undergoing a significant transformation. This AI integration is not just enhancing the user experience by simplifying access to information and expanding the capabilities of everyday applications. It's setting the stage for a future where AI is integral to our daily digital interactions. The implications of these advancements extend beyond convenience. They promise a shift towards more intuitive, efficient, and responsive digital environments that can anticipate user needs and offer solutions in real time. This is a leap towards making our digital tools not just tools, but smart companions in our daily lives. For those intrigued by the possibilities of what AI can bring to our digital experience, the expansion of Meta's AI assistant across various platforms and regions is a development worth watching. It invites users, developers, and tech enthusiasts to engage with and influence the evolution of AI technology. If you're as excited about the future of AI as we are, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful analyses and updates. Dive into the conversation, share your thoughts on how AI is reshaping your digital interactions, and let us know what AI developments you're most looking forward to exploring. Your engagement helps us bring more content that matters to you. Don't just watch the future happen, be a part of shaping it. Subscribe today, join our community, and stay ahead of the curve in understanding and leveraging the power of AI. Catch our upcoming videos where we'll continue to decode the complexities of AI advancements and their implications for us all. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.